Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I'm Kantharaj from NAGAR branch. So today we're going to teach you the ENDNOTE option in MS Word. In the MS Word, we have the reference menu. Here we can get the option called as ENDNOTE. So before going to the ENDNOTE, let us know something about footnote. So footnote, select the particular text. Select the particular text and choose the footnote. So we get a symbol above upon the text. And the same symbol meaning will be given here. This is the footnote. So it may be used as like a dictionary purpose. In some text we can give it as an example free. Select the text, insert the footnote. You can see the symbol present upon the free, the something symbol is written here. So the same meaning can be given here. So what's the meaning of this number? We can give the meaning here. So these are majorly used in the textbooks. So footnote that displays in the same page. And whereas ENDNOTE, if I select the ENDNOTE, if we have more than 10 pages or 5 pages or 3 pages. So presently I am having as a 3 pages, 1 of 3, you can see here, page 1 of 3. So select the text, choose the ENDNOTE. ENDNOTE is nothing but the information will be displayed at the third page. So the number will be displayed here and the information related to that word, it will be displayed in the last page. That is nothing but an ENDNOTE. So this is about footnote and ENDNOTE. Footnote, the information is displayed on the same page. It is used as like a dictionaries. And the ENDNOTE that will be displayed at the end of the document. So this is what we call it as an ENDNOTE. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to the CAD NEST channel.